subscribers, welcome to a new vlog. Today I'll be showing a very interesting vlog. I'll be showing you what I bought on Temu and we'll be unboxing it together. As in the last vlog, I told you I'm inside. So hope you're excited. Stay tuned. Bye. So we'll start unboxing our first package. Oh, it looks so cute. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a swimming costume. Wow. Oh, and it also comes with a swimming short. It's so cute. You see, you're supposed to match it like this. Oh, that's so cute. Stay tuned for the rest. Hey, my lovely subscribers. The next thing I got is a kitchen set. It looks so cute. Oh my god, let's see inside. At least I must see inside. Oh, there's so many things in. So let's see what's in here. Oh, it comes in a bowl. Oh, 2 bowls. That's nice. And a pot also. 2 pots. 2 pots and a little bag of French fries. And a piece of cake. And some bowls like this. Things for putting stuff. And a fried egg. This. And many more stuff. It has so cute stuff. Okay. So this is a necklace that has the first, like any, you can do it with like the letters of your name. So mine, I got it with my first letter of my name, Alicia. So I got a beautiful A. Let me see, yeah, it's here somewhere hiding. Okay guys, hope you're enjoying it. Okay guys, so the next stuff is a friendship necklace. One best friend stays with one side and another one. And also I got 2 different ones. This one has 3. One says best friend forever. This one says best friends. The colors are so cute. Yeah, this is a very nice gift to give your friend. Okay, so I got this wonderful bracelet set. It's so cute. It has some letters and some love hearts and many other things. And it comes with a whole pack of string right at the bottom. Yeah, it has every colored band. Guys, let's see another package. This is a clothes. Let's see. Oh, it's a dress. It's a very cute dress. I love the blue and the peach. Oh, it's so good for going somewhere this summer. And the material is so good and breathable. Okay, so let's open and see. Oh, it's a cute t-shirt. It's so amazing. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so I also got this crocheting kit. I love crocheting. So it comes with 5 packs of crochet, different stuff in. I got this other very cute bracelet, necklace, you can see, that has a unicorn. Yeah, or I don't know, it's a Pegasus. Yeah, it's so cute. It's pink.